In our top stories, soccer giant Messi's signing on package with Paris Saint-Germain includes payment in crypto. A mortgage broker sets out to become the first American institution offering mortgages in Bitcoin. Altcoin Solana blazes with a fresh all-time high. Ukraine's counterintelligence security agency shuts down a network of illegal exchanges. And the state of Wyoming is gunning to be the top crypto spot in America. Welcome to Coinpunks, where we cover the top stories in the crypto space, helping you get informed on all things related to digital assets. Let's jump into today's stories. While soccer fans are still reeling from the news that Lionel Messi is leaving SC Barcelona to play for Paris Saint-Germain, the French club announced last Thursday Messi's signing on package includes payment in crypto. The player will receive part of an estimated $75 million annual payment in PSG fan tokens, crypto first issued by the club to its fans over a year ago. As a result, the token's price surged to an all-time high above $60 a piece. PSG claimed the move to pay the 34-year-old Argentine in crypto positions makes the club one of the most innovative and avant-garde brands in the sport globally. Messi has been busy off of the field as well, as he launched his exclusive NFT collection soon after his Barcelona departure. The exclusive collection, titled The Messiverse X Boss Logic, has seen Messi team up with Eternity Chain that has created a futuristic AI-driven bionic semblance of the superstar, reflecting all of his achievements, ionic moments, and future accomplishments. NFTs and cryptocurrencies have recently broken into the world of soccer, with several top clubs in Europe exploring cryptocurrencies to launch fan tokens and increase revenue. United Wholesale Mortgage Holdings Corp. says it intends to accept crypto as a form of payment for mortgages. In an earnings call during the release of the company's second quarter 2021 results, the chairman and CEO of the publicly listed firm, Matt Ishbia, says the plan could take effect in the coming months. Ishbia says they plan to initially accept Bitcoin before expanding the list to other crypto assets. UWM could potentially become the first mortgage company in America to offer home mortgages in crypto. A pseudonymous trader known as Smart Contractor tells his 158,000 Twitter followers that even though Solana has just reached a fresh all-time high, the blazing altcoin is possibly nowhere to being finished. According to the crypto strategist, 130% gain for Solana from its current price of $65 is not unreasonable. Using Elliott Wave, which predicts price movements based on crowd psychology that tends to manifest in waves, Smart Contractor comes up with an estimate of $150 for Solana after 5 waves. You're probably saying, hey, this is amazing, but what's Solana? All right, let's break it down now. Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain, providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. SOL was launched by the Solana Foundation in March 2020 in Geneva, shortly after raising $1.76 million in a public token auction hosted on CoinList. It's designed to facilitate decentralized apps, or DApp, creations. One of the essential innovations Solana brings to the table is the proof of history consensus developed by Anatoly Yakovenko. Solana is known in the crypto space because of the incredibly short processing times the blockchain offers. So what's the primary use case of Solana? Definitely, it's DeFi. Low transaction costs and throughput of about 65,000 transactions per second could possibly make it a legitimate alternative to Ethereum. One of Solana's main promises to customers is that they will not be surprised by increased fees and taxes. The protocol is designed in such a way as to have low transaction costs while still guaranteeing scalability and fast processing. The Solana Foundation has announced that a total of 489 million SOL tokens will be released in circulation. Approximately 270 million of these have already entered the market. The Solana coin is inflationary, but the rate of issuance is designed to be decreasing. In 10 years, it's programmed to have about a 1.5% annual inflation rate. Ukraine's counterintelligence security agency has shut down a network of reported illegal exchanges that have been used in illicit financial transactions. The exchanges allow their users to launder money by failing to implement any Know Your Customer requirements, according to authorities. According to the Security Service of Ukraine, the underground network had a monthly turnover of up to $1.1 million. It reportedly turned a blind eye to the source of the digital currencies on its platform, and for this, it charged up to 10% in fees for each transaction. The exchanges also promoted anonymity, making them popular to those with something to hide, according to the agency. The network of exchanges has reportedly been operating since the beginning of 2021. In that time, it's attracted over 1,000 clients. In July, the agency busted what it described as the largest illegal crypto farm, containing over 5,000 units of hardware, with close to 4,000 PS4 gaming consoles. The state of Wyoming has always been one of the most progressive states in America, and it's taking up this role once again in the digital currency space. It has now enforced over 24 laws catering to the industry, and it's attracting some big names in the industry as well. Wyoming has now passed 26 new laws, all catering to the digital asset space. The biggest one so far is centered on a new type of charter that gives quick approval for new digital currency banks. As CoinGeek reported, the Wyoming DAO law also set the stage for the first legally recognized, decentralized, autonomous organization in the country. That's a mouthful. Although other states may follow suit, case in point, Texas, Wyoming has pulled out far ahead of the rest of America in opening the door to new types of cryptocurrency businesses. Wyoming's rally to become the friendliest spot in the country for crypto speculators appears to have worked, at least in some respects. Two major crypto companies, Ripple and Kraken, have partially set up shop in the state.
We're here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. This is the state's capital. It's also looking to become the crypto capital of the United States. And one of the big reasons a lot of these tech companies have been moving here, friendly regulation. The state has passed more than 24 bills related to blockchain. The biggest one so far is aimed at quick approval for new crypto banks.
What Wyoming did was just create a welcoming legal environment, just clarifying that this industry is lawful and does exist in a recognized manner. Most of the crypto industry in other states is just in a legal and regulatory gray area.
Wyoming also has abundant and cheap energy sources, and that is key for those crypto mining companies.
This wraps up things for this episode. Leave your comments on today's stories and also drop suggestions for what you'd like coverage on in the future. Hey, if you like today's show, give it a like and subscribe by tapping that sub button. If you're on the go, you can get the same content in our podcast over at www.coinpunks.ca. Take care and catch you in the next one.